what do you get when you mix 1 stickerless Aolong and 2 stickered Rubik's cubes? A Pokeball. Now I didn't have all of my stickerless, so I had to use my transparent stickerless and put stickers on it. But why not? Let's see if we can scramble it and solve it. Should be pretty easy, right? Okay. I would consider myself beginner, very beginner. Average is in the mid-30s, so that's very beginner. This is interesting since I have no indicator of what if this white really belongs on that black. Anyway, weird. So let's see if we can solve this. Oh yeah, that's right. Those solid whites go on the bottom. I have transparent. Anyway, this is not a lesson on how to solve a cube, apparently. Everyone's gonna laugh at my F2L. What the heck is that pattern? We'll just pretend that we know what it is. I think the issue is, since we don't know if this white really belongs on this side and this, so making a Rubik's Cube Pokeball is extremely difficult unless you somehow mark the sides to correspond with the middles. So this is how you solve it. Anyway, thanks for watching my lame Pokeball Rubik's Cube video.